How to change the snooze time on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the latest update on iOS, now you can change the snooze time on your iPhone as well. But keep in mind this is only available on iOS 26. So let's get started with the steps. Head over to your clock application. Once tapping on it, tap on your alarm that you have set or tap on plus icon to set a new alarm. Now just below the snooze option you will say snooze limit. That will allow you to set up the time range for your snooze. However, this is not available in other iOS versions, so in that case, you can have this workaround. You can tap on plus icon and create successive alarms such as 7, 7:05, 7:10 and so on. This way, you can disable snooze for each and this mimics a personalized snooze pattern. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.